Hello my dear friends of electronics, my name is Lorandt and in this video I want to show you the effectivity of shielding cabinets. So first of all, when you are using a shielding cabinet, it is a need because maybe you have a RF module to shield, or you have a part of the electronics where you have too much noise, electromagnetic field to shield, and then you have the possibility to use that kind of different cabinets. I prepare here one from the Shieldy, which you can see in my previous videos. I did present this homemade. You can do your own cabinets by yourself, and we will put this Shieldy on antenna, which we will source from a small generator. He make a kind of rectangle signal. It's a small quartz generator here, make oscillation and put the signal to this antenna. And in the same PCB we can put and solder this cabinet, which I prepared before. It is right now soldered. Or when you make mass production, you have the possibility to use that kind of frame. You solder the frame by pick and place, SMD, and you have the cabinet to close it, and you can re-access for some tuning your device, or if you want to access again your electronic. But if you don't need to access your electronic, you can save some money and you can use the easiest version, which is just a cabinet which can be soldered by pick and place and SMD, and then it's done and you have a completely shielding. So first, now we will switch on our noise generator, which I'm connected to the battery pack. And then we have a small sniffer. This is a sniffer made from Universitat Valencia in collaboration with Würth Elektronik EMC Cathedra. And this one will have also power from the USB. And then we have a magnetic field, near field sensor. And if I go close to this antenna, you can see on the LED and you can hear it make magnetic field sniffering. Now I will take this small build own cabinet, and we have some clips, special clips again, which can be placed on pick and place machine with SMD, and I will try to fix it in the right way to have a good connection. That's it. And now again with the antenna. You can see it's not working, and if I go to the septum, exactly where the signal is coming out, you can see here, but no noise anymore here. So I hope you enjoy it and you will try to use by yourself, and please watch my next videos. Bye bye.